Hey everybody, just wanted you to see the rainstorm. We wasn't expecting any rain until Saturday, but look at the sky and listen to the cloud. Listen to the thunder. The birds are singing. Like that cloud, that tree there with all the ivy growing on it. We call it the haunted tree. It's not even raining where we're at, but it's raining in town. Looks like a face right there. My fingernails are dirty from working in the garden. Looks like an angel's a little bit. Got dark there for a second. Looks like my chickens are still out. One of them right there by the garage. There was right here a bunch of them. Got some scrap metal still out here that needs picked up. Can't do it very well though. Not right now. I'm just showing you the clouds from the storm coming in. My husband said it was raining so hard he had to pull over on the side of the road. Now that looks like a skull right there in the clouds. Like a sheep head or something. What do you think? Comment. See if we can catch some of this lightning. There's some lightning in there. Mosquitoes are biting me. The wind's picking up. It's starting to rain. Indoors, I gotta go. Short video, guys. I still gotta put the chickens to bed when it slacks off. Smells so good. I love the smell of rain. Get through these trees. Well, let's call this a video, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, God's in charge. He knows what he's doing. If he's giving you rain, rain brings life. Remember that. And also remember, God loves you. And so do I. Have a wonderful day. Ta-ta.